Okay, so today's gonna be a really good day, despite the fact that this is all over my face, but we're gonna ignore that for now. So my friend Mallory is coming over today, and we're gonna do a collaboration video. Yay, fun, right? She's gonna be coming over in a little bit, and I'm not sure if I have enough time to shower and wash my face and clean my room. I'm gonna have to prioritize, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get all that done. What the fuck was that? I don't even know, but I'm tired and I'm gonna go wash all this crap off my face. There she is! Oh my god!
Gosh.
What's up?
Hi.
Hello! This is Mallory. She came all the way from West Valley, the same.
Like down the street.
Ooh, should I not say that? Should I not say my address? I feel like that's really sketchy.
Your address.
My address is. Okay, so the point is she doesn't live that far away. No specific plan for today. We're just gonna we're gonna bake. We're gonna bake some homemade cookies today.
Chocolate chip. Gotta be.
I don't have chocolate chips.
What the fuck? Cookies
best
from
ever.
scratch is easy. Like you just get like all like the dry ingredients and put it together, and then like you add all the wet ingredients, and then.
Oh.
See, if I had a car, we could just like go to Walmart.
Totally. We could walk to Walmart. We could vlog that shit. We have time.
Yeah, we definitely.
We have time.
You-
So yeah, we're gonna walk to Walmart. Okay, so we're on our way to Walmart. We're not in a car because none of us can drive. I'm almost 18 years old. This is so embarrassing.
I
But
have my license. I just don't got no car.
She has a license. Scratch that. She just doesn't have a car. I don't. Oh my gosh, I have a car and I don't have a license.
What?
Oh.
You need to let me use your car, dude.
Bro, I'll let you use my car if you let me use your license.
We're gonna get like.
We're gonna make
M&Ms.
1,010,000 different cookies. Damn it! Disgusting.
Ooh, look at that highlight though. That highlight. Oh, you're already playing it.
Okay, so we get there, right? And we're not even like 2 minutes into the store, and we're walking right behind this guy because you know he's on his phone. He's pushing his cart a little bit slow, and Mallory was talking really loud. What's different? And he turns around and looks at us, and then it was like the most dramatic thing I've ever seen. He like moved his cart out of the way, and he went like that. Like,
Leave.
please. It was fucking rude.
Right. I had the same one at home too.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Yes, way.
Make sure they're fully cooked this time.
I don't need any of your commentary.
So, you know. They stole it.
What? We didn't buy the flour at Walmart, we just bought when we needed
Oh,
it.
it's more than 3/4 cup. Shaking my head.
Where the hell is my drink? Oh, sorry. Gotta
You-
mix it, Mallory.
Yeah, you usually mix
don't
it.
mix it.
Shut up. Usually.
Baking soda? Well, bitch, guess what we got? Baking soda. Oh shit. I just like.
Just soften it. Don't like.
Well, yeah, I'm not gonna melt it.
Ah!
Oh, I thought you knew what you were doing in measuring. You didn't? Oh well. It is what it is. Okay, so next you want to take your
Wait, was that all the
2/6 of.
ingredients? No, there's.
Interrupt me again. Interrupt me again. Yeah!
No!
That's so good. Right?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
You don't like it? What? What? This is all butter.
I'm eating the rest of these.
Okay, so we're gonna teach you how to butter a pan. First, you want to unwrap the butter.
Just text me.
I don't fucking care. First, you want to unwrap the butter and you want to just rub that shit all over the pan.
Just lubricate it.
Poor choice of words. My babies are in the oven and I'm so excited. They are touching each other. They're a little bit too big, but. So these are the cookies. This is the final product. Not trying to brag, but they're bomb as fuck. Right, Mallory? Yeah, I mean, they came out good, they smell good, they look good. It's just, it's good. And now we're making some M&M cookies. And those are in the oven right now. The M&M cookies. Not sure
I know.
who took a. Okay, so Mallory's gone, and I'm really sad about that, but it was fun when it lasted. We made some bomb-ass cookies. I genuinely have not had a better cookie in my life. Betty Crocker can throw some rounds with me because I'm coming for her job. Yes, we made cookies, and it's done. It's over. It was fun. Cookies, bitch.